Hi guys, today in this video I'm going to tell you how you can hide folders on a Mac. So for example, what we can do is, let me just create a new folder right here and I'll name it confidential. So I want to hide this folder. What I'm going to do is I'm going to open terminal, and once when you're here you have to write this formula chf flags, and then hidden. Then you're going to put a space, and here you're going to copy, drag and drop it here, and then press enter. You see, it's gone. And if you want to see the hidden folder, what you can do, you can press shift command and the full stop thing that you have, and when you're going to press it, it's going to come back. So this is the way you can hide it. You can press it again and it will be gone, and if you press it again, it's going to come back. Let me just do it. Here you go. Now if you want to unhide it, if you want this folder to open up, what you can do is you can type ch flags space no hidden space, and then you're gonna drag this back and then press enter. So this way it's not hidden anymore. So I hope this video was informative. Please do like the video and subscribe to the channel to see more content like this. I'll see you in the next one.